flames come up and the game will go down. And one of Rockstar Huskies has got the start. I think it's Osborne's second gate pick, inside gate pick, whatever it might have been. Oh no, and a rider down. Osborne made the inside work for him, but quickly under attack.
Ruskin was the one that went down there, was on the outside, got pushed out wide. Front wheel went over the berm. Disastrous start for him. Good one for Zach. So the inside gate's working for our top riders.
And a challenge now, watching flying down the hill.
Wow. That is really brave, especially on the opening laps when you don't know what the grip level is like. Watson took a pretty big gamble there. But it just shows you how badly he wanted to be out front.
And now Webb, who momentarily had the lead, could barely even keep up with what was going on there, finds himself in third. So he went from second to first to third. Now he's battling Osborne again. And a challenge from, that is the Australian, Dean Ferris, who can hover around the top 10 of the first 4 motos this year. Keeps making bike changes to get comfortable. Apparently a lot better this time. That Webb is not done with Osborne. They're fighting it out.
Yeah, this is good from Cooper Webb. We've been sort of waiting and wondering when he's going to show us the speed we know he has. And we're going to still remind ourselves it's only the 3rd round, 4 motos so far. And as quickly as it looked like he was going to have a go at Osborne, he loses a couple bike lengths. Riders just searching right now, trying to figure out where's the grip, where's the best lines.
Dean Ferris, Monster Energy Kawasaki, 3-time and defending champ in the Australian Motocross Championship. Although he's actually not the defending champ because he's not going to defend it. He's going to race full-time here in the U.S. this summer and try to show the world what he's capable of. Former competitor in the Grand Prix circuit over in Europe. Raced out of nowhere. He showed up at High Point 2 years ago and finished second in the first 450 moto that day. Hasn't been back here since. He is betting on himself. He thinks he can run with these guys. Doing well in this moto, but everyone's challenged to try to run with Roxy, who has already pulled away 3.1 seconds. We've seen Kenny do this in all 3 first motos this year, a rocket out of the gate.
Well, the guy that he'd be the most concerned about is a little bit buried in the pack, Eli Tomac, and is showing on the timing scoring in 11th place. And the problem there too is almost everyone in front of it is going to be a tough customer to get around.
That is the challenge set forth for everyone in this 450 class this year. We take the same contenders from the last few years. We added a few more, like Cooper Webb, who showed that he has been rejuvenating this season with Red Bull KTM by capturing the Supercross Championship. You have riders like Osborne, moving into the 450 class for the first time, and Joey Savacci now making his debut for 2019 in Lucas Oil Pro Motocross. They're all stacked up in front of Tomac. First rider he's going to work on is Jason Anderson. This is for 10th place, though.
And we know that Anderson can be very stingy on giving up positions. In fact, it was the opening moto at Hangtown. Tomac caught up Anderson, got around him, looked like he was going to continue on the march, and then Anderson put up a fight, and he saw this momentum swing. So I'm sure he knows if you make a mistake, fight, try and get it back, try and get in Eli's head, don't let him get into his rhythm. On the flip side,
second is about as big as the distance between to the top 2nd and about top 10. There is Tomac working downhill, trying to get Barsha now in his sights. Barsha's had a tough go of it this summer. Both wrists are pretty bad, one worse than the other. After some crashes in Supercross, and Tomac gets to the inside and gets him. The Barsha fight back around the outside. Not as much fight from the 51 you see in these last couple of motos as you usually see. He's one of the fiercest competitors out there. But he's not quite where he wants to be physically. Tomac takes another spot. These can all prove to be valuable championship points. Each position here outside the top 5 is 1 point. At the end of the one point can make all the difference. Especially when you get to deal with riders like Ken Roxy, who's flying today and way out front. Osborne, Webb, and Ferris. Yeah, nice roll reversal for all of these riders. We talked about it for Roxy. This is a good bounce back after getting the space. Now Sealy going back after Ferris. Sealy around the outside.
What's going to happen down this hill? Ferris, they crop. Ferris going to the outside. You see a lot of riders do that. All they're going to the outside, that rut right there is really nice. The inside, you get bumped. down just a little bit.
But Ferris on the inside is able to take the running a little away. Seeley goes back to work. He'll be side by side with his jump.
Seeley trying everything he can. He's just effortless on the bike. Makes it look so easy.
Yeah, complete contrast in style from him and some of the other riders after the, Osborne in second.